Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu Jain and you are watching EncycloHub. In this video, we are discussing M.Sc Statistics from University of Lucknow. If this offers a very advanced statistical analysis and ability to apply them across diverse industries, and the core courses are here also the probability theory, statistical inference, time series analysis, and multivariate statistics. So these are the core courses you will study in this course, and the elective courses are also you have to choose one of them, which is machine learning, econometrics, biostatistics, data analysis, and the machine learning. So there are the variety of range we have, and the research products also are here. So which you will do under the supervision of the faculty of the real world problems. Eligibility criterias are here. If you have a bachelor degree in the statistics with 55%, so you can do this. Entrance exam is also applicants must clear the university entrance exam, which tests their quantitative and analytical skills. So you have to just clear the exam after the clear you will be shortlisted for the interview, and finally you will be getting the admission in the college. There are some career opportunities are also here, which are the data analytics, research and consulting, finance and banking, academia and teaching. So these are some opportunities you can see on the screen, and the faculty and the research expertise also here, renowned faculty, research focus and collaborative environment. So these are the faculties are here which are very experienced professors, and research focus in the different fields are here, and the collaborative environment also. Campus life is very learning, so you can see the activities, clubs and many more, and sports and merit also are merit scholarship also are here. If you are eligible for this scholarship, you can go for it, you can apply for it, and you will and you can contact also this scholarship branch for the in the college, and you will get a better knowledge from the college. So MSc Statistics program is offers a transformative educational experience, equipping students with the knowledge and skills to thrive in the dynamic fields of data analytics and statistical research. For more information, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is showing on the screen, and the website of the Lucknow University. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.